all participants, guests, cybersecurity enthusiasts, and learners who have connected with us for today's session. I am Sanya, and it's my privilege to your host today on today's episode as we dive into this relevant topic: workplace communication
Hello,
essentials, building professional and effective
we have joined
interaction.
from Naqsh ID.
Harsha, you're unmute. There is a powerful truth that perfectly introduces today's theme. Technical skills may open doors, but effective communication, professionalism, and mutual respect build lasting careers. In today's fast paced world, success depends heavily on how we communicate and collaborate. It is now my distinct honor to introduce our esteemed speaker in this evening, Ms. Gitanjali Gupta, once again. Ms. Gupta is a highly acclaimed corporate trainer, image consultant, and behavioral transformation coach with an outstanding track record of conducting over 450 successful professional training assignments. She is a certified POSH enabler, sanitization trainer, recognized for her mastery in employability skills, emotional intelligence, and personal branding. With over 15 years of stellar corporate human resources and operational leadership experiences, Ms. Gupta has navigated senior leadership landscape at the highest levels, including head of service management and vice president HR and administration. Her corporate background spans crucial domains like service management, IT recruitment, and outbound training specialization. What truly sets Ms. Gupta apart is her commitment to social impact. She actively lends her expertise to top educational institutions, leading NGOs and nationwide initiatives like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. She is also passionately dedicated to diversity and inclusion, acting as a core mentor for women restarting their professional careers after a break. Ladies and gentlemen, we are privileged to have such an industry powerhouse with us today to share her invaluable insights. Without taking any more of your time, over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sanya, so much for the warm and illustrious welcome. I am so happy to be part of Naksh and to be part of this group. And I'm so happy to share my knowledge, uh, my experience with all of you. And since we are 6 minutes late, I would not like to waste any more time. Should we start?
Please, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much. So before we start, how would you like, could you give me in the chat box what you want, English or Hindi, or is it a mix of both? I would like to take a session that way. Okay,
Bilingual will be perfect, ma'am.
great, great. That also is my choice. English is good. English, ma'am. Okay, so great. I'll try and use both English and Hindi so that it is more interactive and keeps you alive. Okay, great. So let me share my screen with you guys. Are you able to see my screen? Please keep giving me thumbs up. I'll be able to see. Abhishek, are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Great. So we're talking about professional email and workplace communication. What is this topic all about? आप लोग can you give me what you study? Most of you are, I believe, lawyers or studying professional lawyers or studying to be lawyers, right? Yes, great. So, you are already into college. आप लोग ईमेल भी लिखते होंगे, वर्क प्लेस कम्युनिकेशन क्या है? कम्युनिकेशन you already know. What is the need to introduce this topic to you now? कोई anyone can answer? Anyone? No? क्या जरूरत है हमें अभी इस टॉपिक को जानने की? वी ऑलरेडी नो अबाउट ईमेल, कैसे वी मस्ट बी राइटिंग ईमेल, नॉट प्रोफेशनल। वर्क प्लेस में अभी हम कुछ लोग काम कर रहे होंगे, बट सम ऑफ यू हैव स्टिल टू जॉइन. So why are we taking this topic and talking about it? कुछ एक quick answer. Right, there's no right or wrong. I want you guys to open up and I want to see what you think about communication. कोई answer? नहीं? Okay, you guys are writing. Great. Yes, to a real exchange of information between sender receiver, you're right. All of you are right. लेकिन आपको अभी हमारे को बात इसलिए why are we talking about it is because what is workplace communication? It is exchange of information, like few of you said. At work, yes. How do we do it? We converse, बात करते हैं हम. Hi, hello, good morning. We converse. I said good morning, you said good morning. How are you? I'm good. I ask a question, you give an answer. This is exchange of information. क्या हाँ हम कैसे हो आप? ठीक हो? Good. How do we otherwise communicate? Emails. What else? Meetings. Meetings में हम बात करते हैं. Emails हम लिखते हैं. Video calls, conferences, messaging, WhatsApp messages. We use all these platforms at workplace for communication, for exchange of ideas. True? Right? Why it matters? Before I say why it matters, I want 2 volunteers from you, from the team. दो volunteer. कुछ ज्यादा काम नहीं कराऊंगी. I want just 2 volunteers. Anyone? Please unmute yourself and yes, Pragya is there and Pawan. Okay. Pawan and Pragya, please unmute yourself. Lovely. Pawan, please unmute. Yeah. So now the situation ये है कि मैं आपका बॉस हूँ और मैं आप लोग भी are you studying law? Both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Pragya?
Yes, ma'am.
Pawan?
Yes.
Okay, great. तो आप मेरे एसोसिएट हैं और मैंने आपको नौकरी दे दी. आप मेरे एसोसिएट हैं और मैं आपकी सीनियर लॉयर हूँ. ठीक है? Situation
Yes,
is
ma'am.
okay? Everybody
Yes, ma'am.
understood? Great.
Yeah, definitely.
Now, there's a project there's a project for me for the organization which is about to come. हमारे पास आ सकता है, कुछ क्वालिफाई करना है हमें उसके लिए. ओके, सो इट कम्स टू मी. उसके लिए हमारे को कुछ we have to do some background work for it. Okay, there's an foreign organization, उसको हमने कुछ information इकट्ठा कर देनी है. Okay, so that they will see if they want to work in India, they want to work, collaborate with us or not. Understood, Pawan and Pragya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So now, पहले जब आपको ऑफिस में लाए थे आप दोनों को, both of you were nice to each other. You joined the same day, both of you were nice to each other, and now both of you think that you are competition to each other, and you guys don't talk so much to each other. Not that I don't know about it, कि आप लोग एक दूसरे से बात नहीं करते हैं, ये मुझे नहीं पता. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
इस सिचुएशन में और आप एक दूसरे का को कंपटीशन सोचते हैं, इसलिए एक दूसरे को लेट इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं, एक दूसरे को इंफॉर्मेशन अधूरी देते हैं, मेल भेजनी है तो उसमें अटैचमेंट नहीं देते हैं, ऐसे कुछ काम करते हैं आप एक दूसरे के साथ. कैन फर्स्ट प्रज्ञा यू
Yes,
टॉक
ma'am.
टू मी. और इस वजह से हमारा जो डेडलाइन था, जो प्रोजेक्ट, जो हमारे को इंफॉर्मेशन देनी थी अपने प्रोस्पेक्ट क्लाइंट को, जो कि हमें अपने रोल पे रख सकता था, बहुत बड़ी कंपनी, वो अब उसकी हमने डेट डिले हो कर दी है, हमने उसको टाइम पे काम नहीं दिया. Can you and Pawan talk to me and explain me something? Pawan? First, Pragya, can you justify, can you say why you have done what you have done?
Ma'am, firstly, I'll try to maintain a kind gesture and a healthy competition. So I
Okay.
think I'll not be that competitive, like that would harm our project.
पर आपने कर दिया प्रज्ञा, आपने बोला कि वो कंपटीशन होगा, you'll maintain that, but आपने इंफॉर्मेशन तो पूरी पवन को नहीं दी. You delayed it so that he could not work. Last minute तो आपने उसको दी. So how do you justify your actions?
Ma'am, I'll apologize because ultimately there is a loss. So there's no
Hmm.
point of just arguing for the same. We both
Mhm.
have to collaborate for that, and we have delayed. The main purpose is to meet that deadline, and we
Hmm.
have delayed.
Hmm.
So then I'll find there's no point of arguing further.
Pawan, you have anything to say? आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हो पवन?
Yes, ma'am, I'm audible.
हाँ जी.
Yeah, first of all, I just discuss with Pragya related with that because with the help of communication, we will do a better reach with our organization or the collaboration organization. And next thing is that if we miss this opportunity, then we try to again reconnect with the organization and try to get the information or try to get in touch with next another meeting to that will be successful in future and be partnership with that particular organization.
Okay, so आपकी दोनों की कॉन्वर्सेशन से now I can make out, yes, डिले हुआ, लॉस ऑफ एफर्ट हो सकता था इन दिस फ्यूचर में आपके ग्रोथ पे भी इसका इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है इससे हमारी हमारी कंपनी की जो फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन है उस पे भी इम्पैक्ट हो, बिकॉज अ वन बिग client to us means a lot. So now what you're realizing your mistake now, right? लेकिन आप कह रहे हो अभी पवन के डिस्कस कर लेते हैं, आप तो एक दूसरे से बात ही नहीं कर रहे थे ना. ओके, थैंक यू सो वेरी मच both of you. So as all of you heard about this situation, this can lead to loss of work and loss of money for the company, for the organization, and can be a loss to individuals also. In associates जो आए हैं, इनकी नई नई लड़ाई इनको एक जॉब लॉस में भी हो सकता है इनका. So why do you think why it matters? It matters because communication. Why does communication matters? क्यों करना चाहिए था? Because it improves teamwork. Had they been talking to each other, had they given information, exchange of information, email, दोनों एक दूसरे को जितनी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए थी और जितना उसके ऊपर काम करना चाहिए था वो कर देते, तो टीम work would have improved, productivity would have improved, it would have helped them complete the project on time, and it would have reduced misunderstanding and conflict between these two people. In bigger organization, there may be conflicts between sales team and the HR team, the hiring team and the delivery team. बहुत सारी misunderstandings होती हैं. But if the communication, the channel is clear, तो वो mistakes नहीं होती हैं. देखो, and it builds positive work culture. If both of you, Pawan, if both of you had worked together and given the work to your boss on time, it would have shown and made your positive impression to the prospective client also. कि काम हमने लेट दिया था, काम हमने जैसे दिया था, they finished it on time and they gave it on time, and there is a positive work culture. Help understand office environment better also. जब आप नए organization में आए as both interns, as both associates, to understand office environment better, communication helps you understand the office environment better. Communication होगा, exchange of ideas होंगे, चाहे आप बात करोगे, चाहे आप meeting attend करोगे, चाहे आपको email मिलेगी, चाहे आपको कोई presentation मिलेगी, you will have better understanding of the office. ठीक है? And it will increase your knowledge about your office work, knowledge about the subjects. अभी आप जैसे most of you are going to be lawyers, तो आप लोगों की with the exchange of these information, particularly क्या होता है, when it is a book, we read it, we learn it, we give answers, and sometimes we when we understand तब तो हमें याद रह जाता है. When we don't understand it as much, we just learn it and give it the answer, we forget about it also. So what happens is, in practical life, when you keep using these things again and again, your knowledge definitely does increase, and by few years later, you know, if not everybody, everybody knows about all the laws and all, because they are elaborate and there are in between laws, sub uske points and all that are there. So nobody remembers that, but by reading it, you know more or less the big ones, you remember about it, right? So knowledge does increase. Then comes, what type of workplace communication is there? देखो 4 टाइप होते हैं हमारे पास में. Verbal होता है, face to face discussions, meetings. We are not face to face, we are virtual, but still we are face to face. I can see a few of you, you can see me, and I'm talking, I'm exchanging information with you. This is one. ठीक है? The other one, which is very, very important, because when you grow in life, and you will have lot of communication through body language, facial expression, and tone. What is the tone will see what is inside you. Once you start learning that body language, facial expressions, then you'll understand it better. और ये राउंड टेबल पे ये बॉडी लैंग्वेज एंड टोनल क्वालिटी एंड फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन, ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर जो नॉन वर्बल क्यूज होते हैं, इनको हम बोलते हैं, ये जो है डिसाइड करते हैं बहुत बड़ी बड़ी मीटिंग्स में कि आप किस तरह से चलकर आए, आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज कितनी कॉन्फिडेंट है, आपके फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस क्या हैं, वो कुछ बोल रहे हैं या उन पे कोई एक्सप्रेशंस नहीं है. You have to slowly and steadily read this. When you're in such profession, I'm sure you must be observing some part of it. उसको देखकर लग नहीं रहा था कि वो सच बोल रही है. राइट? होता है ना कई बार ऐसे. सो ये आपके जो नॉन वर्बल क्यूज होंगे, ये आपके as you grow in life, you will be using it more and more than the verbal, written or visual communications. Then comes email, written communication, which is email लिखा जाता है, reports लिखी जाती हैं, messages करे जाते हैं. हम लिखकर भी तो करते हैं ना communication. एक बोलकर करा, एक facial expression से करा, एक email लिखकर करा, messages लिखकर करा, because आपको you have to be formal in your workplace also. मैं आपको 2 एग्जाम्पल दूंगी इसकी. एंड लास्ट इज द विजुअल प्रेजेंट, विच इज विजुअल प्रेजेंटेशन. चार्ट्स और वीडियोस होते हैं, ये भी एक तरह का वर्क प्लेस कम्युनिकेशन है. मैंने अपनी बात रिकॉर्ड करी और मैंने आप लोगों को ईमेल कर दिया, मैंने आपको प्रेजेंटेशन भेज दिया, वीडियो बनाकर आपको भेज दिया. You got that information. It is an exchange of idea, information with you. Understood? Guys, thumbs up. Can you give me thumbs up, please? Great. Lovely, lovely. So nice. Okay, now I will show you some expressions. Okay. आपको मुझे चैट बॉक्स में बताना है व्हाट आर दीज एक्सप्रेशंस. फर्स्ट, सो आई विल से मेरा जो लैंग्वेज होगी, मेरा जो राइट होगा वो सेम होगा फॉर ऑल, बट माय फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस विल चेंज. I received your email. I received your email. What is my expression? Can you write in the chat box? Lovely. Angry. Yes. Yes, angry. All of you are getting it. Now, I say the same thing. I received your email. I received your email. Yes. Happy. I received your email. Okay. I'm surprised, happy, excited. Yes. Delightful. Yes, you're right. Oh my God, I received your email. Yeah, I received your email. I'm so excited. Yes, joyful. I'm so proud of getting it. Yay, I got your energetic. Yes. I am saying the same words, but my expression is changing. Now, अब ये दिन आ गए. I received your email. What is the expression? ये दिन आ गए कि now I receive your email. Huh? Okay, concrete. Disappointed. Yes. Frustrated. Egoistic. Yes. So with my expression, I'm saying the same thing. Very good. Yes. So what you can read from my expression, I'm saying the same thing again and again. I'm not changing even a single word. Yet, with my facial expression, you're able to see different things. My tone is changing. My facial expression is changing. My body language is changing. बात मैं same कर रही हूँ. I'm saying all those 4 words only. Yet you're able to get different message. So this is what does body language does, what does facial expression does to the conversation. So it is very, very important. Now I told you I'll give you one more example. The other example is the email writing. Email writing, in this example, we write something, and when we write something, the message can be very, very light. Hi, how are you? And so this is to inform you, and just a small message that we have received this order. But when we write in the email, I write the subject as bold, as write all capitals. Okay, and in that I write received order, which is when I write like this, मैंने email लिखा उसमें और मैंने कैपिटल में उसके सब्जेक्ट लाइन में लिख दिया सारा कैपिटल में received order. So when you write all capitals in an email, which shows that you are shouting, ये एक expression होता है shouting का. आप अपने बॉस को नीचे अच्छे से लिख रहे हो, आई एम हैप्पी टू इन्फॉर्म यू दैट वी हैव रिसीव्ड सच अ बिग ऑर्डर, बट whereas in the subject line you're showing as if बॉस पे आप एहसान कर रहे हो कि हमें मिल गया ऑर्डर जो आप बोल रहे थे. Okay, so it has to match. We don't have to write anything in all caps anywhere. Understood? Great. Thumbs up. Lovely. So these are the 4 types we use: verbal, non-verbal, written, and visuals. Visuals जो है, generally with people, when we talk about workplace communication, it is very important part of communication because हमारा जो हम चीज देखते हैं वो हमें चीज ज्यादा टाइम के लिए याद होती है. Most of us are so these are different types of I'll once do a body language and expressions with you. So this is the facial the presentation, because हमारे को sound जो सुनाई देती है और जो हम visuals देखते हैं, we are more visuals in nature generally. Most of the people are. तो जो हमें चीजें नजर आती है हम उसको देर तक याद रखते हैं, रिकॉग्नाइज करते हैं. आपको कोई फोटो होगी, कोई एड होगी, कोई पुरानी वो होगी, आपको निरमा की एड, सो वॉशिंग पाउडर निरमा तो याद होगा बिकॉज वो बहुत चलता था. यू मे रिमेम्बर द गर्ल वेयरिंग अ स्मॉल फ्रॉक एंड यू नो वो निरमा की एड. आप योर यंग पीपल यू मे नॉट रिमेम्बर or you may not have seen. So Amul to dekha hi hai, Amul ki that utterly butterly delicious. So that girl is there. So people remember that presentation, charts, videos, they remember more. That is why visual is also very, very important part of communication, workplace communication. Now comes how does it flow? Communication जो है हमारी पर्सनल लाइफ में भी होता है. हम फैमिली से बातें करते हैं, दैट इज कम्युनिकेशन. मम्मी पापा पूछते हैं कैसे हो, कहाँ पर हो, खाना खाया कि नहीं खाया. इट इज पर्सनल लाइफ कम्युनिकेशन. कम्युनिकेशन कैसे फ्लो करता है? हाउ डज इट फ्लो? फैमिली में करते हैं, हम फ्रेंड से बातें करते हैं. वी डोंट राइट, वी मे राइट मैसेजेस टू फ्रेंड्स बट वी डोंट राइट ईमेल्स टू देम. टीचर से हम बात करते हैं, क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, नेबर से पूछते हैं, टैक्सी ड्राइवर से पूछते हैं, शॉप पे जाते हैं तो वी टॉक टू द शॉप ओनर ऑल्सो. सो वी डू टॉक टू देम. So that's how it flows in the personal life. How does it flow in corporate world? We talk to team members, we talk to managers, we talk to cross-functional teams, we talk to company leadership, we talk to other companies, we talk to the guard of the company, we talk to the liftman of the company, we talk to a lot of people over there. We talk to our peers, we talk to our seniors, we talk to we talk to so many people about the corporate world. We talk to them for work. So ये कुछ एक लोग हैं, इस तरह से ये फ्लो करती है. अब ये जो कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में कम्युनिकेशन है, ये इफेक्टिव कैसे होती है और कैसे करनी चाहिए. I hope my flow is not too fast because we are at 7:35. Are you guys okay या थोड़ा slow चलूं? Is that okay, guys? Great. Any questions as of now? कुछ भी question. Let's make it interactive. Thank you. Thank you. Great. If you have any questions, please write it in the chat box. I'll answer it at the end of it. Maybe your answer will be, questions will be answered by itself at the end of the session. But if not, I will try and answer all of them. So for effective communication, workplace communication, you have to be an active listener. You have to focus completely, whether you're talking to your junior or you're talking to your boss or you're talking in the team, you have to be an active listener pehle hona hai, then you can become a better speaker. Then you can, when you listen to the problem, to the question, completely, thoroughly, then you'll be able to give better answer. ये बहुत important है. And then I said positive body language भी बहुत बहुत जरूरी है. Maintaining eye contact is very, very, very important as part of the body language, as part of the communication. For somebody to build trust on you, you have to have eye contact with them. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको घूरना है उनकी आंखों में, but you have to keep looking at their eyes and probably nod your head to say to this shows that you are whatever you're talking to the person or the other person talking to you. When you make eye contact and you nod your head along, that shows you are a part of the conversation. You're not missing it. Even when you're writing the notes and all, in between you hold your head and look at their eyes, shows. And when you're talking to your client, आपके पास में कोई एक आता है जब आप काम करते हैं as a lawyer, तो आप, when you look into their eyes, that shows that you are trustworthy. Somebody not looking into the eyes. जैसे हम कहते थे कि बचपन में देखो छोटे बच्चे को जब कुछ गड़बड़ करता था वो कि आप look into my eyes, जैसे हम कहते हैं बच्चे को look into my eyes and talk to me. जब बच्चे ने गड़बड़ करी होती है तो वो नहीं देखता है. So to maintain that positive body language, you have to make eye contact with people. And you, in between, you can remove it and then make a contact, and which shows that you are as part of the you're part of the conversation. Then where it says constructive feedback is also, so you have to become an active listener. Your body language also has to be positive. Third thing is you have to give constructive feedback. जब आप जूनियर हैं तो आपके बॉस आपको कंस्ट्रक्टिव फीडबैक दें, और आप लोगों के लिए who are volunteers, who are elder brothers, elder sisters, आपके maybe your junior, senior in the college, senior in the group. So you have your juniors. You also can give constructive feedback to your juniors, to your younger brothers, younger sisters, your neighbors. First, you have to tell them about the strength they have. स्ट्रेंथ शायद एक होगी जो आपने जबरदस्ती ढूंढी होगी, लेकिन स्ट्रेंथ होगी जरूर. ऐसा कोई जना नहीं होता जिसमें कोई स्ट्रेंथ ना हो. तो स्ट्रेंथ होगी तो जरूर, और उसमें 10 कमियां होंगी. वर्क प्लेस में आप जाओगे, आपने काम नहीं करा तो कमी तो होगी. अभी तो आपको काम आता ही नहीं है. यू डोंट नो द वर्क, so you don't have any positives right now. You have studied, आपने पढ़ाई करी, पेपर दिए, सिलेक्ट हुए, आप अच्छे मार्क्स से पास हुए, सिलेक्ट हुए, और आपने कंपनी ज्वाइन कर ली, आपने अपना काम शुरू कर लिया. अभी आपको प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज नहीं है, तो इम्प्रूवमेंट कहाँ होगी? सब कुछ ही इम्प्रूवमेंट का एरिया है, राइट? So, but for anyone, like if I say I have a junior, like I said, Pawan was my junior. पवन ने अभी नया नया ज्वाइन करा है. I would have मैं पवन को बोलती, पवन आपने अभी 1 महीना ज्वाइन करा. I observed you in the past 1 month, and I found that you are quite punctual. You come on time, and since you come on time, you deliver, you check all your emails and you reply back to them early, start replying back to them early in the morning, which is very good. Pawan will say, thank you, ma'am. अब पवन क्या हो गया? उस लेवल पर आ गया जहां उसने मुझे थैंक यू बोला. He may start to open up. He may be receptive. वो शायद अब अपनी कमी सुनने के लिए रेडी हो. अब मैं पवन को बोल सकती हूँ, पवन, बट योर कम्युनिकेशन, आप टाइम पर आते हो, ईमेल भी लिखते हो, विच इज वेरी गुड, बट इशू इज के you know, your communication, your English language में थोड़ा गड़बड़ है. Grammar is an issue, but you know what? Both of us can work on it. Maybe when you draft an email, you can spell check. You can check it with grammar. Pawan will say, very good, ma'am. Yes. Pawan, when you're writing email, can you again check all the codes and all the rules of it? And when you're writing an email, can you please check that none of us जो उस मीटिंग में थे, पहले लास्ट वीक वाली मीटिंग में थे, उन सबको आप सीसी कर दो, किसी को मिस मत करना. पवन, Pawan will say, yes, ma'am. Can you write all these 3 points and will you work on it? Pawan will say, yes, ma'am. Will you say, Pawan, yes? Where is Pawan gone? Anyways, will you say? Anybody can do this, right? Yes. So, this will have improvement in the system. जब आप किसी का, you don't have to praise, but when you give them their strength and then you tell them about their weaknesses, they are ready to listen to you. Communication will be better. Okay? Guys, please give me thumbs up. I know if you're listening. Thank you. Thank you so very much, guys. Yeah, thank you. Now comes communication channel. Situation kya hai? What is the situation? Situation is a formal situation. You're in the office, you're with your boss, you're working for a law firm, and it is a formal communication. What is the best method that you'll use in a situation which is formal? Formal situation में आपको email लिखनी होगी. Messaging will not help as much. Okay. Then comes quick questions. You're in a sales meet. आप sales करते हैं, कोई medical representative हैं, आपने sales वाले कहीं गए हुए हैं मीटिंग के लिए, और कहीं पे किसी ने कुछ बोला कि आप ये हमारे लिए अरेंज करें या आप हमारे को ये डिस्काउंट दिलाएं. While you can't write a mail standing on the road or in somebody's office or a shop, You will quick message your boss and say कि सर ये कंफर्म कर रहे हैं, वो हमें 5 लाख का ऑर्डर देंगे पर वो 10% डिस्काउंट मांग रहे हैं. Can I go ahead? And in later he is promised to give bigger orders. Boss will say okay. Right? That is where. Post that you can make it formal. But सड़क पे खड़े खड़े आप नहीं करोगे. Messaging app you will use. Then when there is a detailed discussion की situation, then what will you do? You'll use meetings, calls, right? जब detailed discussion करनी होती है, then we have team meets. And when team updates करनी है, आप लोगों को बताना है, कोई नया प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करना है, कोई आप लोगों के जैसे कुछ change हो गया in the law, then the boss wants you to come and discuss something over it. They want your feedback on something. They want feedback on some organization. कुछ भी update, कुछ भी meet करना है, then there are team meetings. Okay? How these meetings are more effective and successful is you have to set an agenda for the meeting. Agenda क्या होता है? Any one of you, please? Can you help me, guys? I'm just changing the screen so that I know which. Anyone? Khushi Singh, Pragya Singh, Pawan. Anyone? Please help me. Khushi, are you there? Can you say what it is? Agenda क्या होता है? Subject matter expert. Yes, aim to achieve something. Okay, so agenda is what we any matter. So not any matter. We are talking about a specific matter. एक चीज specific चीज what we are going to discuss in the meeting. Agenda वो होता है कि हमारे set clear agenda कि हम क्या क्या चीज discuss करेंगे. हम उसको point by point लिखते हैं. That becomes our agenda and goals. Okay, and then we invite only the necessary people in the meeting. हम भीड़ इकट्ठा नहीं कर लेते क्योंकि भीड़ इकट्ठा करने से कोई भी solution किसी चीज का नहीं आता. We start on time, we end on time also. और unnecessary meetings भी हम नहीं करते. Then the meetings become effective. See what happens is when you have a clear agenda. जैसे मीटिंग से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि मैं पवन आपके साथ में ये 5 चीजें डिस्कस करना चाहती हूँ. मैं चाहती हूँ आप मेडिकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हैं. सॉरी आई एम टेकिंग पवन्स नेम अगेन एंड अगेन, बट लेट्स से आप मेडिकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हैं. मैं आपको मार्केट भेजती हूँ. मुझे ये जो सप्लायर है, जो ये सप्लायर है उसके बारे में भी बताओ. और मुझे जो ऑर्डर्स आप जिनसे लाते हो, लेट्स से यू टेल मी अबाउट दिल्ली एंड एनसीआर एरिया, तो आप उस पर्टिकुलर सप्लायर से रिलेटेड, दिल्ली एनसीआर से रिलेटेड डेटा इकट्ठा करोगे, अपनी प्रॉब्लम लाओगे, अपने सॉल्यूशन भी लाओगे और फिर वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे उसमें. Whereas if we don't have any agenda for the meeting beforehand, पहले से पता नहीं होगा, तो पवन ने ये जो काम कर रखा है वो नहीं करके लाएगा, वो सिर्फ सुनेगा उस टाइम मीटिंग में, तो मीटिंग इफेक्टिव नहीं होगी. So it is, and I tell you this, when I was working in my office, I used to keep it as a secret. मैं एजेंडा बताती ही नहीं थी सबको पहले. मुझे उसमें खुशी मिलती थी कि सिर्फ मुझे ही पता है कि मैं क्या डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ. Which is where later we understood, this, then the meetings only becomes a gossip or a talking ground. We don't come prepared and then we don't actively participate also. क्योंकि जब हमें पहले से कुछ क्वेश्चन पता होगा तो हम उसके बारे में सोचेंगे, हमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस उसके निकालेंगे, कुछ डाउट्स निकालेंगे, कुछ पूछेंगे हम औरों से, कुछ मार्केट रिसर्च करेंगे, कुछ अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू देंगे. वो सब हम नहीं करते जब हमें एजेंडा नहीं पता होता. Understood? So to make these meetings more effective, we have to come on time, we have to come prepared. prepared तब होंगे जब हमारे पास, if we have agenda in advance, then we participate actively, we share notes, and before we leave the meeting, we have to have action items with us कि हम कब तक क्या काम करेंगे, right? Then comes open workplace culture and trust. People have to feel safe in the environment. एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में अगर वो अपने आइडियाज दे, इफ दे शेयर एनी आइडियाज इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, तो उन्हें ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए आप लोग नए हैं, यू ब्रिंग न्यूनेस टू द कंपनी, टू द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। तो आपके जो न्यूअर आइडियाज हैं वो एक्सपीरियंस्ड लोगों के पास नहीं होते हैं, बिकॉज यू थिंक डिफरेंटली, you are the people of today's generation. You use as much AI, not the people who are like 30 or 20 30 years of experience they use. You surf so much on the internet, you have so much maybe music आप सुनते हैं, maybe work culture आप पढ़ते हैं, maybe travel करते हैं, you have so many newer things to you. So with your work also related, you may have newer ideas. If you have these and you feel you should, the company का एक जगह का एटमॉस्फेयर ऐसा होना चाहिए कि आप अपनी फीलिंग्स, आप अपने एक्सचेंज ऑफ आइडियाज दो, and you don't feel, oh, if अगर मैंने ये कर दिया, if I say this, I may not lose a job, I should not, boss should not start ignoring me, or boss should not give me promotion, ऐसा ना हो, or he should stop talking to me, ऐसा नहीं हो. They should feel happy and safe. Companies have their rules, regulation, their ideas. They may take your ideas, they may not take it, but if you want to share it, you should have the courage, and company should be open to take it. वो यूज ना करें कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन आपको हार्म नहीं करें उससे, क्योंकि कंपनीज एक बहुत सारे लोग बहुत सारे आइडियाज देंगे, दे विल सी व्हाट फिट्स इनटू देयर culture, what fits into the whole as an organization. Understood? Give me thumbs up, please, guys. Yes, thank you. Now comes include everyone. This is also very, very important. ये आप लोगों के future. So why are we talking about communication? Is today you're new joining. Tomorrow you'll become managers. You'll become senior lawyers. You'll become partners. So you may have, and then you may work with people who are, you may have more entities. कोई सिंगापुर में भी आपका ऑफिस है, कोई मलेशिया में भी ऑफिस है, कोई दुबई में भी ऑफिस है. You have employees all over the world and they are reporting to you. वो आपको रिपोर्ट करते हैं, आपके अंडर काम करते हैं, उनको भी इंक्लूड करना है. they should also be included, and they should also be given equal opportunity to speak. So work culture should be like that. And then it is very, very important. क्या होता है, बहुत सारी मीटिंग्स में, used to happen with my employees also. When we used to have meetings, they would not say a word. They're shy, they don't open up. उनको लगता है कोई मजाक उड़ाएगा, कोई बात करेगा पीछे से. They're not confident enough to speak in front, or they don't want to share their ideas. Could be anything. So it is very important to have one-on-one meetings also with your employees. Team discussions also होती है, because they are brainstormer. एक का आइडिया आया कुछ, दूसरे का कुछ और आया, तीसरे ने उसको और इम्प्रूव करा. सो ये एक्सचेंज ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन हुई, जो एक्सचेंज, जो कम्युनिकेशन हुआ, इसमें ये ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग सेशन जैसे हो जाते हैं. And then for informal bonding also is very, very important for anyone to grow in any organization, and for boss to know what is the situation of the एम्प्लॉय, उसके घर पे इनफॉर्मल बॉन्डिंग ऑल्सो इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आप उन्हें कभी डिनर के लिए ले गए, कभी पिकनिक्स हुई, कभी आउटडोर मीट्स हुई, सो इसमें बॉन्डिंग जो बनती है वो बड़ी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग होती है। तो ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आगे के लिए, आपको टीम बनाने के लिए, कम्युनिकेशन क्लियर होने के लिए। जब आपकी बॉन्डिंग बनी, फिर आपके दोस्त बन गए काम पे, when you're no more competition to each other, you are safe with each other and you talk to each other and you're working together with each other for years, so the team, it becomes more like a team than anything else. Understood? Now comes email etiquettes. I'm going little faster because we have less time. So email mein, it is very 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 important to write purpose of the meeting, purpose of the email in the subject line. हमारे पास हम ईमेल लिखते हैं, उसके ऊपर आता है सब्जेक्ट, उसमें पर्पस प्रोफेशनल ईमेल में लिखना बहुत जरूरी है। हाय हेलो लिखोगे तो वो खो जाएगी ईमेल। आप अकेले हो, बॉस के पास 4 रिपोर्टीज और हैं, उसके पास में 4 और आपके जैसे हैं, उनके पास 2 और बॉस हैं उनके सर के ऊपर बैठे हुए, उनके पास में क्लाइंट्स है, 5 7 10 क्लाइंट्स भी है जो उन्हें ईमेल लिखते हैं, कंपनीज हैं, इंडिविजुअल्स हैं। सो अगर आप हाय हेलो ईमेल भेजोगे, हिज मेल बॉक्स विल नॉट रीड इट as it is important. When you say you request for a meeting or it is an urgent, needs attention for closure of the business, for some business, for this account, let's say ABC company's account, then the boss's attention will go and you will get at the right time. It is very important आप उनके ईमेल को क्लटर ना करें and उसमें purpose write करें. It should be, the email should be purpose driven. Then comes the reply, the response time. So there's something called TAT, turn around time होता है हमारा। जब मैंने आपको ईमेल भेजी, आप, हो सकता है मैं अभी 8 बजे ईमेल भेज रही हूँ, आपने कहा भाई ऑफिस टाइम इज ओवर, नाउ आई विल सी टू इट टुमारो मॉर्निंग, आप काम में बिजी हो गए। Generally, the good thing is you can reply in 24 hours, unless you're sitting on some burning issue, unless you are a network engineer और आपके पास में ईमेल आई कि भाई नेटवर्क डाउन हो गया, एयरपोर्ट का नेटवर्क डाउन हो गया। Now it is a burning issue. You can't keep the network down for 24 hours. वहां पे वो उनकी जान निकाल देंगे, all the passengers. So if it is a burning issue, that has to be faster. Response time has to be faster. Maybe you can reply in half an hour, maybe 45 minutes. You have to see that shows relatability and professionalism. Understood? Then comes the email has to be short. आपको in the first few lines, you don't have to ask, boss, how are you? So good to see you, writing you after a long time, blah, blah, blah. Nothing. You have to write the purpose. Straight, crisp emails honi chahiye. Straight, crisp, no lengthy emails. In first few lines, when boss reads, or your customer reads, or your colleague reads, he or she knows what is this mail all about in the first few lines also. So it has to be short, crisp. And then you have to use a professional tone, which has to be very polite, with polite greetings and sign-offs. ये होना बहुत जरूरी है. And I know you guys use a lot of slang, lot of emojis in your writing. बहुत सारे हमारी generations को समझ भी नहीं आते हैं. But in a professional email, you will not use any slangs. Sarcasm नहीं होना चाहिए. ताने नहीं मारने आपने उसमें किसी को कि oh, you said this, I got this now. No, nothing like it. No sarcasms. Emotional language nahi honi. Boss, I told you my leg is paining and I can't do this work. No, it has to be very professional. You want to make a call to them and say, I hurt myself, this is this. But when you're writing an email, it has to be very professional. There's an issue, I am unwell and I will not be able to do this. Could you please give me 2 days leave or give me a day's leave? I will be able to finish work as soon as I get well. That's all okay. But it has to be crisp. It has to be direct. पत्थर नहीं मारेंगे हम. Direct means write the content, write the purpose. And एक चीज मैंने अपने बॉस से सीखी थी when I was working in bank, that if you have to take 10 files to know what this subject is all about, then you haven't done justice to this email. He used to say you have to still give some old email ka paragraph reference in your mail, in your letter, in your communication, so that people know the context of the mail, the purpose of the mail, the purpose of this communication. You don't have to search the older file. Maybe now it is on the earlier, we used to look for physical files. Oh, इस account की email है. Maybe let me just go and find out this. ये वाली file में ढूंढो कि क्या email थी. What was it all about? So वो नहीं होना चाहिए. It has to have some context of the older email also. Older email I'm saying, not the previous email. Then before sending the button, send. Check grammar. Check spelling. Check if you have said that you are sending an attachment or आप भूल गए. ये सब चीजें check करो before you click the sending button. And check if your office uses American English or British English. थोड़ा से इनके spellings में changes होते हैं, तो वो check करो कि आपकी company क्या use करती है. Some companies are American companies, lawyers are working over there, so they have little different because the email finally goes to the big boss sitting in US, in America, or people who are in India. We use mostly British language. तो ये आप चेक करो और प्रूफ रीड जरूर करना भेजने से पहले कि आपने क्या लिखा है, उसकी ग्रामर क्या है. ओके. एंड लास्टली सीसी जरूर करना है आपको टू द रेलेवेंट पीपल, नॉट रिप्लाई टू ऑल. व्हेन आई से इट इज माय बर्थडे और इट इज Abhishek's birthday, I say happy birthday and I marked the CC or BCC to all. So please don't do it. Whoever replies to on the email, Abhishek, happy birthday, I will come to know that it is his happy birthday and when anyone is wishing him. मुझे वो जानने की जरूरत नहीं है. So please reply all ना करें. Relevant person को सिर्फ email भेजें. आपको ये जानना बहुत जरूरी होगा who all are the relevant people and do you actually need reply all or not. ये आपका दिमाग से सोचेगा. Okay. I know it's 8 o'clock, but you guys joined a little late, so I'm taking 5 more minutes. Now comes empathetic communication. What is empathetic communication? Empathy क्या होती है? सहानुभूति. Why do we need to discuss this सहानुभूति? Where are we going to use this? ये तो प्रोफेशनल वर्ड की बात कर रहे थे हम, वर्क प्लेस कम्युनिकेशन की बात कर रहे थे. How will it impact my professional growth? Empathetic, सहानुभूति मैं किसी से करूं, ये मेरी प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ में हेल्प करेगा? I don't know. Will people judge me if I don't know this? If I don't know what empathetic communication is, तो लोग मुझे जज करेंगे. यानी कि मैं किसी से सहानुभूति ना दिखाऊं, उस तरह का कम्युनिकेशन ना करूं, तो लोग मुझे जज करेंगे. I don't know. Probably we can see in the next slide. Where are we going to use this? We are going to use this where customer care services are, where public dealings are. Banks में we will use empathetic. ट्रेन स्टेशन, बस स्टेशन, जहाँ बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं, इंश्योरेंस कंपनी, कोई गुजर जाता है, तो हमें एम्पैथेटिक कम्युनिकेशन ही तो करनी पड़ेगी ना उनसे. इंफॉर्मेशन मांगेंगे हम सारी, but we will have to be nice to them. We will have to talk to them so that we can take out all communication from them. हम पेपर मांगेंगे, हम फिर उन्हें बोलेंगे अच्छा अपना सर्टिफिकेट लाओ, अच्छा अपना उनका बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट लगाओ, डेथ सर्टिफिकेट लेकर आओ, अच्छा जी वो आपके क्या रिलेशन में है, यू गेट दैट. इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज ऐसे मांगती है चीजें. So if something like this, किसी के साथ में ट्रेजेडी हुई है, how are you going to be empathetic to them? But at the same time, you want all the information because paperwork तो आपको पूरा करना है, right? Restaurants, shops, cinema halls, everywhere. Why cinema halls also? If I want to go and watch a movie, let's say based on Ram, and taking my old mother to the cinema hall, she can't see from the seat which is given to me. Can I go and ask the ticket person कि आप please मेरी ticket, if you can change it to some other seats which are empty so that my mother can see? I feel it is emotional. मैं अपने मदर को लेकर गई हूँ. इट इज एन इमोशन फॉर मी. आई वॉन्ट टू मेक हर फील हैप्पी, एंड शी इज इमोशनल अबाउट दैट content, about that God, about that Ram. So everywhere empathy, it's not that I created it, it is the emotion. Then in office also, kabhi koi ladai jhagda hua, you need empathy. As a boss, you will need empathy to resolve conflicts. Empathy होगी, but ऐसे within the professional boundaries. आप नहीं empathetic होते होते ऐसे नहीं कि आप उसके घर पहुंच जाए. For hospitality, for building trust. If you're courteous, your communication, generally क्या होता है when you go to hotels like Taj, you go to airlines, they're very courteous to you. And you keep using their service again and again. उस brand की service को आप use करते रहते हैं because उसने trust build कर दिया. They're very nice people. They talk very nicely. You ask for one glass water, they bring two. Healthcare. Patient satisfaction is later. First, it is communication. How people are received in the foyer area, जहाँ रिसेप्शन है वहां पर उनका कैसे रिसीव करा गया है. If you make them, some people come, they're very ill, अकेले ही आ गए. आजकल बच्चे बाहर हैं, he's come alone. तो मोतियाबिंद है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ऑपरेशन कराने आए हैं, डर भी लग रहा है अंदर से, अकेले भी हैं. If you make the person comfortable, sir, don't worry, you have already spoken to doctor, he's very good, you have a glass of water, relax here, and I can assure you you're in safe hands. वो पेशेंट का जो लेवल है, जो ट्रस्ट है, वो आप बिल्ड कर दोगे. This comes in retention also. Courts also. You're a lawyer. Lawyer के पास में, let's say people go for property cases, people go for rape cases, people go for divorces. They're not happy. They are low. अपना उनका जो mental level है, जो उनका वो बहुत low उस पर है, वो बड़े वल्नरेबल स्टेट में है. अगर आप उनसे अच्छे से बात करते हो, एम्पैथेटिक बात करते हो, उस सिचुएशन में डाल के, हो सकता है लेडी हो, वो उस सिचुएशन में अपने आप को डाल के, आई एम अ लेडी, आई गो, सम लेडी कैन रिलेट टू मी, सम maybe relate to the situation their mother had say similar situation in life. So empathy, और आपके इस तरह से आप कम्युनिकेट करो अगर, तो उस जने का जो आपके पास में आया है वो उसका आप पे ट्रस्ट बिल्ड हो जाएगा. Empathy will help you there. Now I tell you, this happens with me at the airport. I was traveling 3-4 years back to US, and उस दिन रात को यहाँ से बहुत बारिश आई तो हमारा प्लेन डिले हो गया. Happened, नेक्स्ट फ्लाइट जो हमारी कनेक्टिंग फ्लाइट थी वो हमारी बहुत कोशिश करने के बावजूद भी मिस हो गई. So अब हमारे को, I have a 75-year-old lady with me. I have a 12-year-old boy with me. I am also very tired with so much of baggages and all. And now we were told to wait till 4 o'clock, 4:30 to get another flight. We are at the airport at 9:30. Now do what? Wait the entire 5-6 घंटे. हम 16 घंटे की ट्रैवल करके 2-3 घंटे पहले बैठ के आए हैं. Should we wait? So we were waiting because हमें 4:30 का टिकट मिल गया and we were waiting. Then in the meantime, I reached out to customer care at the airport, somewhere where this black lady was sitting. And I told her, we have, I have to go to Washington, D.C. From there, we have a 2-hour drive to a place. I'm forgetting the name of the place. It's a Raleigh. It's one of the place. So, and I have a 75-year-old. I have a 12-year-old. We are tired. We have traveled for 16 hours, blah, blah, blah. And it's a story suna di. This lady, while talking to me, I asked her if there is a direct flight, not to DC, but to the direct place where we have to go from DC. And while she was talking to me, she asked for my ticket. She looked at my ticket. उसने टिकट फाड़ दी और उसने नई टिकट बना दी to the same place. Flight was in 15 minutes. और हमें एयरपोर्ट चेंज करना था क्योंकि वो टर्मिनल कोई और था. Anyways, so the point is, I will never forget that lady because she was empathetic to me. She heard 75-year-old, 12-year-old, 16-hour journey already, had to wait. So she changed it. She related this, ke yaar thak gaye honge. We also get tired like this. She helped. So empathy does help. So finally, we've come to, yes, good communication helps build confidence. आप लोग जो है अच्छा कम्युनिकेशन होगा, आप अच्छे कम्युनिकेटर बनेंगे, आप एक अच्छी टीम बनाएंगे, आपका खुद का कम्युनिकेशन अच्छा होगा. You'll have professional relationship not only within the organization but outside the organization with other organizations also. You will grow faster in your career because you're helping here. You're helping and you're giving clear cut, so you know what to do, not get into unnecessary fights over smaller things, and you will become a valuable team member also. आप अपनी टीम से भी अच्छी इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करते हो, बॉस से भी करते हो, कस्टमर से भी करते हो. You'll become a valuable team members. When you do all this, today you're a member, tomorrow you'll become a founder of the future, where you will build so many teams. In so many organizations you'll work. So with this, what have we learned? What have we learned? Guys, please come on screen. Please. I want to see your beautiful faces, your nicer faces. Any of you, please, some of you. Thank you, Hemlata. Thank you so much. What have you learned? हमारा आज का take away क्या है? Thank you, Sudhanshu. आज का what is the takeaway? What have you learned? Because आप मुझे, when you tell me what have you learned, then only will you be able to implement that. Right? Right, Hemlata?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So what have you learned? Tell me, Sudhanshu. Tell me.
मैम, आज से पहले कभी ऐसा मतलब पता नहीं था कि कैसे प्रोफेशनली बिहेव करते हैं
कभी कभी ईमेल लिखते थे सीनियर को, तो उसमें भी मतलब नॉर्मली लिख दिया करते थे, और यूज बहुत ज्यादा करता था मैम कैपिटल लेटर्स का।
हम्म,
तो भी समझ में आया कि
बिल्कुल।
कब कैपिटल लेटर्स यूज करना है, कब नहीं करना है।
उसका मतलब है शाउट कर रहे हैं आप अपने बॉस पे, वो नहीं करना है। ओके, वेरी गुड। एंड एनीथिंग एल्स, व्हाट हैव यू लर्नड अदरवाइज?
Learned to be empathetic towards other human beings, which is most important in life.
Yes, people do think that empathy is just personally they think empathy we should do, मतलब हमें अपने छोटों से या अपने नीचे काम करने वालों से, मे बी विथ आवर प्यून, मे बी विथ somebody who's unwell, उनके साथ empathetic होना चाहिए. It is with everyone. It does help. It does help in the moment also. It does help in improving if you're empathetic towards your people around you. People see you as a positive human being. It does, people observe you. Other organizations observe you, your own people observe you, your boss observes you, and it has a different impact on you.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt, but I have a question. मुझे ये पूछना था कि जैसे हम उसमें रहते हैं ऑफिस में, तो वहां पे हम अगर एम्पैथी दिखाएंगे तो लोग हमें वीक नहीं समझेंगे। स्पेशली लोगों के पास इतना टाइम होता है कि वो हमारा सुन सके या फिर हम अ, अपना वो बता सकें।
Learning outcomes is, हमने एक चीज पढ़ी थी इसमें, एम्पथी दिखानी है, बट यू डोंट हैव टू रीच द अदर पर्सन, या किसी और को एम्पथी इतनी नहीं दिखाने दो कि वो आपके घर में आ जाए. You have to have a professional boundary, which is what, as and when you grow, empathy aapko, you have to give ear to them, like you are, if you're also a lawyer, you will listen to, you have to take out practical चीज आपको रखनी होगी केस लड़ने के लिए, but उस practical चीज के साथ में what the person has gone through, you have to listen, give a ear to them. What are the reasons? If somebody has done some crime, आपके वो आपके पास में पहुंचा है कि मुझे बचाओ, मैंने ये सेल्फ डिफेंस में जो क्राइम होते हैं, so you not only you're looking at the crime, you look at the other part of it, why the person has done crime, possibly in self defense, then you're empathetic towards that person. आप उस पूरी सिचुएशन को रीड करते हो, नॉट ओनली एक पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन को, the entire thing you read. You don't fall short on anything, और आप कमजोर नहीं आप होते हो इसमें. I'm saying empathy, I'm not saying even sympathy. You understand the difference between sympathy and empathy? दया नहीं दिखानी आपको किसी के ऊपर, और ना कोई आपके ऊपर दिखाए, बट सहानुभूति होनी चाहिए. You have to put yourself and some other people in that kind of situation and think about it and give a solution. Is that okay, Amandeep?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you in agreement now?
Stepping into the shoes of a person who is in some problem like that is empathy.
Yes. So the first thing is you have to listen also to them and then respond to them. And when you're writing an email to anyone, you have to have a clear purpose of it. When you're choosing, you have to choose the right channel. And I'll email for formal matters, like I said, chat for quick questions, etc. that we've discussed. Professional tone builds credibility. Be polite, proofread, don't reply to unnecessary to reply all. All this create your credibility in the longer run. It is very, very important. And empathy strengthens relationship. Understanding others' concern improve teamwork and trust. You will see when we if you understand somebody's situation, you are able to probably give a
Thank you
solution.
so much, ma'am, for such an insightful session. We were really glad, and I think everybody has asked their respective questions. If anybody has more questions, they can write it in their chat box or can raise their hands. We will
Yeah.
invite you to speak one at a time. We will do our best to address as many questions as possible with the available time. We encourage everyone to actively participate and make the most of this opportunity to interact.
Yeah, please do write if you have any questions. Or you can talk to me. Yeah. Yeah, Giri. I hope the session was informative and it does bring some knowledge to you guys. Thank you. Yes, thank you, Sudhanshu. Any questions? I can see there are a lot of chats and people are writing. If there are no questions, then we can close this. Is that okay, Sanya? Yeah, somebody is asking some question. Okay, thank you so very much, everyone, for listening to me. And yes, recording will be there. You can ask your team members, Naksh and Sanya. Maybe they'll be able to give you that recording. And if you have any questions, my email address is with the team members. You can reach out to me any day, or if you want any topics to be discussed, I'll be very happy to come again and talk to you and share my knowledge with you guys. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sudhanshu. Please share your feedback. That feedback does help us also improve. Yeah, I know the session has spilled over. Thank you, guys.
Can we leave the session, ma'am?
everyone is requested to fill the post assessment and feedback form before leaving the meet. And after filling the form, yes, they can leave.